Hello and welcome back to my channel. You're watching Young Black Misses, the place where we talk about marriage, money, and food. A whole lot of food. Because I'm all about living a healthy whole life. My name is Morgan F. And if you stumble across this video, you're in treat. Because I am doing a vegan taste test of some new, to me, Thrive Market finds. So if any of these items sound good to you, stay tuned, or especially the ones from the thumbnail. All right, guys, let's get into it. Make sure you like this video and give it a comment if any of these products you've tried before. All right, let's get into the video. Okay, first things up, I am going to try out two products, cacao nibs and granola. Purely Elizabeth ancient grain granola. Both of these are vegan products. All these items are vegan products. I'm going to try this out first because my smoothie bowl is melting a little bit. So I've never had cacao nibs because I'm cheap, but they were on sale at Thrive Market, and there is I'll say this a couple times, there's a link in the description of this video if you want to try out Thrive Market. I do get a little kickback, and I appreciate it. All right. The thing about a smoothie bowl, guys, is you want to make it pretty full. And if you are interested in learning how I prepare this smoothie bowl, the recipe is available for you, and I'm making a mess, in the link in the description as well. I'm just gonna try one. Wow. That is like straight up dark chocolate. So it'll probably taste good, you know, mixed with some stuff. Now, normally I would have hemp seeds, but I just wanted to focus on these two flavors by themselves. All right, try it by itself. That's quite good. These were also on sale, so I went ahead and got them. Okay, again, my smoothie bowl is melting. And then I would usually have some berries on this side to kind of even it out, and some peanut butter, but focus. Okay. And then you just scoop with a little bit of all of it. I mean, it's gonna taste good with a good base, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm chewing. I love this. This is so good. This is going to be up my smoothie game for real. Smoothie bowl game up. Okay. That was fabulous. Move that off to the side. Okay. Next. All right. I'm going to try the salad dressings from Senior Kensington. Sir Kensington. Sir Kensington. So full disclosure, I had some of this the other night, so I already kind of know what that tastes like. So I'm going to do this one first. But I just had like a salad, and I was like, I want to open it up. I'm ready. So this salad I have in front of me, it's just your spring mix, some tomatoes, some cucumbers, and some red onions with some capers, which I saw someone else do that on YouTube, and I was like, that sounds amazing. I will try it. And so again, awesome thing about Thrive Market, it will sort out everything that's vegan for you. And I wish the owls were like that too. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just letting you know. Okay, let me get a cucumber. Okay, and then I'll put this in. I'm not the hugest fan of raw onions, but hey, and don't judge this bowl, this container. This is like the mandolin container, but I didn't want to dirty up another dish, like another bowl. Like nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. It's okay. If you guys watch my IG Try It Out Tuesdays, which if you're not following me, check me out on there. You'll see I'm quite a messy cook. Look, I have like spinach everywhere. Trying to be neat, but okay. Try. Ooh. So this is I believe this is the Dijon balsamic. Not the best ingredients, but you're eating a salad, so. Okay. I like a lot of dressing. I'm gonna do a cute little bite with everything. Yeah, maybe not everything, but I definitely want an onion. Okay. Y'all. All right, Sir Kensington, you all right with me? So this is a dressing and a marinade. Okay. Look, don't y'all worry about this. It's just gonna get finished up later. Along with that smoothie bowl, it's just gonna have to be refrozen and eaten again. It's gonna be great. Running out of places to put things. Okay. Thing I like about this, you can taste the Dijon just as much as you can taste the balsamic. And I love Dijon mustard. Sorry for popping, but that's how you know it's good. Oh, ooh. Shake it up, baby. So, pepperoncini Italian dressing. There we go. Okay, too much. This is also a marinade, and I should be careful because I've used this twice now, and I'm about a third of the way down the bottle, but that's okay. Oh, let me get the caper in this. This would have been good with banana peppers. I'm like a salad aficionado, if you will. Okay. This one's probably one of the best Italian dressings that I've had because it's very fresh. That whatever that pepper is, it's a little spicy, but it's not too much spice. I think you'll enjoy it if you like a little spice, if you like Italian. Ingredients again, not terrible. So you definitely taste the garlic, the shallot, the oregano, that's within it. So I can't wait to finish this. Okay, now got a whole bunch of chips to snack on. Fresh stuff is out the way. First one I really want to try is this hippie snack, avocado crisp. Avocados, coconut milk, which I'm not really looking forward to. It's got pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, brown rice, flour, flax seeds, and a few other things. Oh, it's got mustard flour. I've never heard of mustard flour. Tapioca starch, water, and sea salt. Okay. I don't know why I did that. It just felt right. All right, let's look. Okay. I'm not sure, guys. Let me do it again. What part of the avocado is this? Okay. It does taste like an avocado. And I love avocado. But y'all see how I just opened this up. This is first impression. It kind of tastes like like a too ripe avocado. And it's not salty enough for me. Sea salt is like one of the last ingredients where I feel like it should have been a little higher up. I'll probably finish with the salt. It's not bad. 12 crisp is a serving size, 140 calories, and 5 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar. I mean, I don't know. Okay, next up, pepcorn. I believe this is a BIPOC, or maybe it's just a POC owned brand. And they're truffle. Yes. And I would dip them with something, but I'm not. Okay, check me out. Y'all, the truffle is the black truffle is the last ingredient, but it is the first thing that I taste. Heirloom corn, sunflower oil, sea salt, black truffle. You wanna? I can't get the thing to lift off, but you can look. I'm just gonna seal it with my little donut. Okay, 2 more salty and then a sweet. Late July has never failed me, so let us not be today in which they do. Well, hold on, let me see if I can. We're not gonna play around. We're just gonna cut it. I know it says tear and taste, but I don't have time for that. Okay, so these are sweet potato multi-grain tortillas. Tortilla chips. Here we go. Organic as well. But the first ingredient is not sweet potato. It's like, but you taste that sweet potato. What is up with people skipping on the salt? You're just kind of fair. I mean, not eat them. Maybe that would taste better with some salsa. You can tell because I didn't reach back for a second one. I don't know if I would get these again. Okay. These better be salty. I saved, because I like salty food and then I like to do like a little sweet. Okay. There we go. So this is the Thrive Market brand. Coconut oil potato chips. Sea salt and vinegar. We not gonna struggle. We just gonna cut it. You need to cut it. Let's go. Okay. Not the best chip to pull out, but let's go for it. Not the best ingredients. You can taste the coconut oil just a little bit. It's like an aftertaste. I don't mind them though. These are good. Definitely get a hint of the salt off rip. You can taste the salt and the vinegar. Obviously, I like them because this is my third one. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, I'm almost running out of clips. Okay. Last up. I always crave something a little sweet after I eat something salty. And so I know they sell this at Target or whatever, but I saw it at Thrive Market. I see it's woman owned. March is Women's History Month, so let's do it for the women. A gluten-free, non-GMO, free of sugar, alcohols, yes. And of course, vegan. Okay, is it like Skittles where the red one is always best and the orange one is trash? Hit me up in the comments if you like orange Skittles, or just let me know what color Skittles you do like. Or am I supposed to eat it all together? This is a one. Let me see. I like this though. I do like this. It's kind of like the Sour Patch Kids, but it's fruit forward. Way more fruity. But it's getting stuck in my teeth a little bit. Look, I'm looking out into the sky like, wow, this is delicious. Okay, well, everything I had was delicious for the most part. If I had to rate, what was my favorite thing? Them salad dressings. Those salad dressings were fire. I know that sounds weird to say because, like, who really cares about salad dressings? But once you get a good salad dressing, you are in it to win it. And I apologize for eating while I'm talking, but you're looking at a tasting video. So, you get what you get. And then, the one I didn't like, which I was really hoping to like, were these, because didn't I try these first? I think I tried these first. Because I was geeked, I was very excited. And they let me down. They let me down. And they were darker than the picture. Look at the picture. Look at that. That is not the same color. Okay. I'm still gonna eat them. I'm sure maybe my husband will like them. Okay. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you have personally tried, and let me know what you think. I know you guys will. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friend. Check out those links for the smoothie bowl, as well as Thrive Market. It's an awesome place. Okay, this is not sponsored. I'm just saying because I love it. So, until next time, guys. You're bomb. I'll see you. Peace.